Long before dinosaurs walked the earth, before forests covered the land, something was already hunting beneath the waves. Its descendants would survive catastrophes that destroyed entire ecosystems and remain predators for hundreds of millions of years. The story of sharks stretches back roughly 450 million years to an ocean almost completely different from our own. These early shark relatives did not yet resemble the sleek and powerful hunters we know today. Because shark skeletons are made mostly of cartilage, their ancient bodies rarely became fossils. Instead, scientists often reconstruct their history from one extraordinarily durable part of their bodies: their teeth. By around 380 million years ago, animals such as Cladoselache had begun to look surprisingly shark-like. Its streamlined body turned the ancient ocean into a hunting ground where speed suddenly became an important advantage. Then the Devonian world began to collapse. A major extinction event eliminated much of Earth's marine life, but some shark lineages survived, and as damaged ecosystems recovered, these survivors found new opportunities to evolve, spread, and dominate the oceans. Around 359 million years ago, the Carboniferous period began, a time sometimes described as a golden age for sharks and their relatives. The oceans became home to an extraordinary variety of forms. Evolution experimented with bodies, fins, and jaws that would look almost alien today. One of the strangest was Stethacanthus, a small shark relative with an unusual flattened structure rising from its back. Other ancient shark relatives developed equally bizarre adaptations, showing just how diverse these early cartilaginous fishes had become. But around 252 million years ago, life on Earth faced an even greater disaster: the end Permian mass extinction. Most marine species disappeared during this global catastrophe, yet once again, some shark lineages managed to survive. Millions of years later, during the Jurassic period, sharks began to develop forms that would look far more familiar to us today. New groups appeared with improved swimming abilities, stronger senses, and body shapes better suited for active hunting. Their jaws also became more flexible, allowing some sharks to push the mouth forward and capture prey more effectively. Combined with powerful tails, streamlined bodies, and lightweight cartilage skeletons, these adaptations helped sharks become some of the ocean's most efficient predators. By the Cretaceous period, sharks were sharing the oceans with giant marine reptiles, sea turtles, ammonites, and enormous schools of fish. Then, around 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth and triggered one of the most famous extinction events in history. The dinosaurs disappeared from the land, and marine ecosystems were devastated. But once again, some shark lineages survived the global catastrophe. Many large species vanished, while smaller sharks and deepwater hunters had a better chance of making it through the crisis. As the oceans slowly recovered, sharks expanded into new ecological roles and began taking advantage of newly available food sources. Among these survivors was the Otodus lineage, a group of powerful sharks that would eventually produce one of the largest predators ever to swim in the ocean. Around 23 million years ago, Otodus Megalodon appeared. It would become one of the most dominant marine predators of its time. Some scientific estimates suggest that the largest individuals may have reached more than 20 meters in length, making Megalodon far larger than any living predatory shark. Its enormous fossil teeth revealed just how formidable this animal was, with some specimens measuring more than 17 centimeters from root to tip. Megalodon hunted large marine mammals, including whales, placing it near the very top of the prehistoric ocean food chain. But Megalodon was not simply a gigantic great white shark, and it was not the direct ancestor of the great white we know today. Modern great whites appear to share a closer evolutionary history with ancient mako-like sharks, which followed a different branch of the shark family tree. Then, around 3.6 million years ago, Megalodon disappeared from the fossil record, ending the reign of one of the ocean's greatest predators. Cooling oceans, changing whale populations, and competition with other predators may all have contributed to its extinction. But shark evolution did not stop. New and unusual forms continued to appear, including the instantly recognizable hammerhead sharks. Their wide, hammer-shaped heads improved sensory abilities, helping them detect the tiny electrical signals produced by hidden prey. Other sharks followed a completely different path, Instead of hunting large animals, species like the whale shark evolved to filter microscopic food from the water. Today, sharks exist in an astonishing variety of forms, from tiny deep-sea species to the whale shark, the largest living fish on Earth. They are sometimes called living fossils, but that description can be misleading. Sharks have never stopped changing, adapting, and evolving. For more than 400 million years, oceans changed, continents moved, species vanished, and sharks survived. Their greatest achievement was never their size or power. It was their ability to adapt. If you enjoyed this journey through evolution, subscribe to Evolution Mystery Files for more stories from Earth's incredible past.